You smell like your dad, and your dad doesn't smell very good. Just look at him. He's the only one that's standing up. Alright, that's sitting down. So are you. You both are lazy. I bet you're all dizzy. You're smelly. I'm talking to you.
Alright guys, 10 minutes. Leaving 10.
Boogers. What are you talking about? Boogers. Boogers.
You want that candy? Here.
Boogers.
Here.
You're smelly, Grandma.
You're stinky.
You smell very bad.
You stinky.
Ew, I see your eye. It's all disgusting like.
I don't have any.
Grandma, you're smelly. So is Sean. You guys smell exactly alike. Bad. He missed.
Don't throw beer on people, Mom. What's wrong with you?
You smell so bad.
No, I think you're smelling your upper lip.
I hope you don't. I hope you don't break my chair. Don't break my chair. Don't get stuck in the chair. Or you can do that all you want. Sure, go ahead and do that all you want. Is that water? What is that?
Oh, okay.
You started this. Here.
Dude, Ryan, these are my only pair of pants. I gotta wear
really?
these. I gotta wear these for a whole week.
Are you serious?
No, I'm not. I'm not serious.
This is water, right?
What are you selling?
Free water. Oh, you too, Grandma. Ah. You big doofus. Here, Grandma, you can have that.
Thanks.
Welcome.